Hello, this is Jeff Anders. The best thing about this program is I've never seen so many people want to see us succeed in a business. The biggest challenge before this program was trying to find a business that would let you in on the secret of their success. There's nobody out there that will do it. They just tell you just go read a book, do this, do that. They never help you out, or they give you little tidbits on what's going on. Mike's helped us out by letting us know that we can succeed if we put our mind to it, follow these steps. I believe we can do this. That's all of us, even in the community. You just got to stay with it. Thanks for the opportunity.